Private land surveyor in Bangalore. When it comes to finding the best land surveyor in Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Limited is a highly reputable company that stands out from the rest. One of the key reasons why SCON Design India Private Limited is considered as the best land surveyor in Bangalore is their commitment to excellence. They offer a wide range of land surveying services, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and more. SCON Design India Private Limited also prides themselves on their customer-centric approach. In conclusion, if you are looking for the best land surveyor in Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Limited is a name you can trust. When it comes to finding the best land surveyor in Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Limited is a name that stands out. SCON Design India Private Ltd's team of land surveyors is well versed in the local regulations and guidelines related to land surveying, ensuring that their work meets all legal requirements. They also prioritize client satisfaction, working closely with clients to understand their needs and providing personalized service to ensure that they get the results they need. Whether you are a developer looking for a survey for a new project or a property owner seeking to verify your property boundaries, SCON Design India Private Limited has the expertise and resources to deliver high-quality surveys. They are committed to delivering timely and efficient services at competitive prices, making them an excellent choice for anyone seeking the best land surveyor in Bangalore. Thanks for watching.